Matisse Fabric Fixative, MM13. This medium mixed with acrylic paint will turn the paints into fabric paints. In other words, paints you can paint onto garments, t-shirts, tea towels, that sort of thing. Heat fix them and then they'll be completely permanent. So if you want to paint a design or screen print onto a fabric that you're going to wash regularly, mix the fabric fixative, about 1 part fabric fixative to 2 parts paint, then apply that mix with a brush, a sponge, a screen, an airbrush, pretty well anything, to the fabric. Leave it to dry. Don't paint it on too thick or it'll make it quite easy to pick off. Leave it to dry, heat fix it, and the instructions for that are down in the description. And then once it's been heat fixed, it won't wash out. Using the fabric fixative means that the colours won't come out, and using Matisse colours means they won't fade, so they're going to last longer than the fabric.